Join me as I dive into the world of TSSI stock and challenge myself to predict whether it's a smart investment for 2025. If you're interested in investing in the stock market, you've probably come across TSSI stock. As we navigate the complexities of the current economic climate, many investors are looking for promising opportunities to grow their portfolios. TSSI stock has been gaining attention, but is it a good investment for 2025? Investing in TSSI stock, like any other investment, comes with its own set of uncertainties and risks. Market volatility can be a major concern, as it can significantly impact the stock's performance. One day, the market is up, and the next, it's down. It's a roller coaster ride that can be unpredictable. Another risk to consider is competition. The industry is crowded, and TSSI faces stiff competition from established players and new entrants. This competition can affect the company's market share and ultimately, its stock price. Furthermore, there are also regulatory risks to consider. Changes in laws and regulations can impact TSSI's business operations and bottom line. And then there's the risk of technological disruption. The rapid pace of innovation in the industry can leave companies that don't adapt quickly behind. The financial health of TSSI is another crucial factor to consider when evaluating its investment potential. A deep dive into the company's financials reveals both strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, TSSI has shown significant revenue growth over the past few years, which is a positive indicator of its potential for long-term success. However, its debt-to-equity ratio is a bit high, which could be a concern for some investors. Recent developments, such as new product launches and partnerships, have been making headlines. These moves are aimed at expanding TSSI's offerings and reach, which could positively impact its stock performance. Industry trends also play a critical role in determining TSSI's prospects. The industry is experiencing a shift towards sustainability and eco-friendliness, and TSSI seems to be positioning itself to capitalize on this trend. My main insight is that TSSI stock has potential, but it's essential to approach it with caution. Based on my analysis, I predict that TSSI stock will experience moderate growth in 2025, driven by its strong revenue growth and strategic initiatives. However, the risks and uncertainties mentioned earlier could impact its performance. Data suggests that TSSI stock price has historically been correlated with the overall market performance, so investors should keep a close eye on market trends. Additionally, the company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing industry trends will be crucial in determining its long-term success. A thorough analysis of TSSI's financials and industry trends reveals that it's a stock worth watching, but investors should be prepared for potential volatility. In conclusion, TSSI stock has both promising prospects and significant risks. Key points to consider include its financial health, recent developments, and industry trends. The stock's performance in 2025 will likely be influenced by these factors, as well as market volatility and competition. If you have any thoughts on TSSI stock or other investment opportunities, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other investment analysis videos for more insights and predictions on stocks that could be smart investments in 2025.